Hello everyone, my name is Ebony Knight. I am a personal chef with a company called Time to Feast, and I would like to send out a shout out to my good friend Rafi Chowdhury from Influencer Spotlight. Basically, before I started working with Rafi, I had absolutely no idea how to promote my business and get my name out there. But that has totally changed since working with him. He literally did step by step, broke it down and showed it to me in a way that I never thought I could understand. Since then, I've gotten tons of hit on my Facebook page, and I've gotten exposure that I never thought I would get. And business is booming now thanks to him. And with working with him with this promotion deal, I know more about the marketing side than I ever thought I would know, and how important it is when promoting your business. And so I just want to say I'm so glad that I got with him on this deal, and I can't wait to see the growth that I'm going to experience now because of this. So Rafi, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate what you've done.